Alright, next part. I think this is video part 14, undergoing 78 in progress. I completed the drawing of the child, the victim of the Nazi Luftwaffe bombing of a town and school, November 2nd, 1937, in Spain. Gerda Taro, Spanish poet Miguel Hernandez. Okay, to be continued. I'm going to rotate this for viewers here since I'm planning on framing it with wiring so that the drawing can be rotated during exhibits, let's say every few days. With Gerda Taro on the bottom and rotated so Miguel Hernandez is on the bottom. All right, to be continued. Budgies and I are listening to Sonidas de Azcap, one of the musicians on the album, a friend, Carl Royce, whose late father was a friend of mine of years, Bob Royce. And the Budgies are enjoying the album. Muchas gracias. Beautiful singing. All right, there you have it.